Round one, fight!
Wait a minute here. That guy has a case too. Bet they're responsible for that train robbery. What's so important about those cases? Huh? Mother... Can't miss that train.
No way am I letting you go! You'll never catch that train!
I've heard about running into a brick wall, but this is ridiculous. Can't you find someone else to play with?
Hold still, punk!
Oh yeah, that worked. How many of these things do you have? Sand in the tights. This stuff chafes.
You'll never catch that train! Hold still, punk! Still, punk!
Sand in the tights. This stuff chafes.
You'll never catch that train! I'm gonna pound you flat!
If I can just reach that train! All aboard! Hey! The beetle! What do you have to do with this?
Times change, Spider-Man. I do what I have to.
Oh!
Some other time, Spider-Jerk.
Whoa! And what's this? Looks like Spiderella's going to the ball.